Get it. Oh!
Who's here?
Look.
Instead of putting out pumpkins and ghosts this year for Halloween, Heather, want to say something? You do? Do you like the decoration?
Someone might not be hungry, but is way too curious.
Bang!
So, being super flexible brings its own challenge. Like, which move should I make?
He thinks he's helping.
Physical gift truly is.
Even. Så då. Är du det?
The kind of face that makes every bad day better.
Such a good girl, Cindy. Thank you, Cindy. Thank you. Such a good girl.
哎呦，这个小刘海太快了！ Start.
Like higher than any of these horses are ever going to jump.
Don't knock down everything on there, please. Don't knock that down. You're such a good kitty. You have self-discipline and you won't knock it down.
Bella, the door's open. The door's open, Bella. You don't have to scratch.
Okay, that's all, baby. That's all. That's all.
Uh-oh.
Ruling. Look at him. Ariel.
Are you swinging? Good girl. Look at you. You love it. Where are you taking that, Lola?
9 lives.
Now.
Hey, ma'am. I know you enjoyed those leaves, but can you leave them outside, please? Thank you.
Sharpest tool in the shed.
Bye, cow.
Say moo.
There, just look at it.
What was that about? Gonna like the snow. Oh. Did I?
Hey, Pandora. What are you doing?
No. Take a shot. No. Take a shot. No.
Through the oh! Parkour! Whoa! Jerry!
Tutuan tanganmu kui. Tutuanlah tanganmu kui ya. Yo, jangan.
Need to put it on my head. Can you do that for me, please? Oh yeah.
That is too far.
Looks like he's
The lambs are out. Our triplets are out. Camper, what's going on? The cocky Campbells and here's Bo. I surrendered my lamb.
Got him, my boy?
Oh my god.
Golden's favorite hobby is being your shadow.
Don't you do it! Don't you do it!
Border Collie on a mission. Secure the item before human reconsiders.
Oh, fuck no. Praying that chain don't break. I'm gonna lose a leg or something.
Call your dog without actually calling your dog.
Silly goose. He is silly goose.
Hele, ty nechceš jít domů nebo co? Čelíko, čelík.
Sleep up to 18 hours a day. Shopping doesn't mess with her schedule at all.
First question, what is your name? The second one is definitely, do you...
While his peers cuddle with plushies, he's drafting love letters to his one true love. Boxes.
This love language is for all their besties, no matter what species is.
Land.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Get out of there. Get out of there now.
Press their puppy's mute button.
Hey buddy, you should learn to tell food apart from toys.
У меня растет футболист, и я этому не рада.
No matter who the other side is, curiosity always wins in the end.
What's the matter? What do you want? What do you want? Oh, that's not a ball. That's no.
Miko, come here. Come here. Miko, come here. It's okay.
Follow me. You don't look like my species. Can you do this, by the way? No? Then, bye.
The elephant acted like security removing unauthorized recording equipment. He clearly believes in privacy rights.
Dang. What the hell even are we again? You know what? Fuck these sunglasses. Hey, Paul, give me some bananas. Leaves again. Alright, so let's,
Is that nice and cool?
Come on, mate.
Okay. Take her off there.
Come on, mate. Oh, I'm going to get wet.
He does so good. He didn't even make a sound.
Oh, what a beautiful pup.
He needs a hug. She's still getting used to going on a walk.
Oh my gosh, I just remembered something. I love you.
What animal this is.
No, come back! That's so funny. I won't leave you alone. No! I love you!
Duck and cat cuddling up for a sweet nap. This friendship is so warm and peaceful.
Wearing stuff backward is still a thing. Even these fanciest folks keep up with it.
Gente, ele fica louco comigo quando eu começo a cantar. Ai,
Me. Why'd you bite me? Don't do it. Don't do it.
This dog, women are always prioritized and are the first choice.
You cheated. You were breathing.
Hier, komm, da ist nichts, komm. Komm, da ist nichts mehr. Hier, komm.
Face of someone who just did something wrong.
Allá no le van a tener su cama, allá no le van a dar medicamentos. A que coja garrapatas, o yo, a comportarse. Si esta...
The diver came for footage and got interviewed by a wrasse instead.
When life gets too boring, there's always those like this guy adding drama for no reason.
Guys, I'm back with Teddy and he just got a haircut. Oh my.
Once trust is built, a donkey basically turns into an affection machine.
What are you doing?
How many hearts do you see?
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. Meow meow. Meow 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 meow.
This dog noticed the baby stealing the spotlight and took that personally.
Meow! Meow! Meow!
Cat drama is like top-notch tea. You just can't wait to spill it.
Is proof of that.
Tracy, come on, Tracy! You can't get down that way, puppy. Oh, bloody
Son, whoa, Jesus Christ. I'm out.
Yeah, fuck you guys.
Holy shit.
Whoa.
Jesus, what the fuck's the matter with you, Mark? Get up.
You don't see him yet. And then you do.
Can I have that? What is it?
These buddies surely helped you relieve some stress, right? Don't miss the next video.
Looking at me through that window.
This little boy is not only really into working out, but also very smart. Unique benefits. Consider a robot vacuum if you have a mischievous cat making a mess.
Back in the day, we thought we were the strongest until reality showed us who's boss.
Dog hit turbo mode out of absolutely nowhere.
Traffic here doesn't have rules, huh? 3 vehicles actually have to give way to just 1.
Out of it.
Poland is absolutely possible. Looks like Buddy just arrived from another planet and is seriously questioning why he's even here.
Ik ga wijn schenken, ik ben het helemaal zat. Kom maar.
Amore, dove vai con la pasta? Amore, dove vai con la pasta? Toro, lascia la pasta. Toro.
Are you seriously in between the screen?
Who said cats hate being touched? That's just because they haven't met someone this special yet.
Mommy, bye-bye. Oh.
Sea lions often investigate moving objects. They choose that guy as their temporary tour guide.
So disconcerting sometimes.
Get ready for a soaking wet head while adopting cats because that's how they return the affection.
As he run. Go! She wants more. Look at her. Release the beast. Sis! Ah! Jesus Christ! My laptop!
Catch me if you can.
Покажи лицо.
Не укусит. Не укусит. Не укусит.
No! Give me my bag! Where are you taking it? Give it! Let go! Kai!
Merhabalar.
Wow, I love this service. Keep it up and I'll pretend I don't hate you anymore.
Hello.
This puppy looks like he's waiting for the teacher to hand out the test.
There, boys. Better actually.
You can easily find cat chaos, even in hospitals.
Piggy loves bath time.
Fellas, any of you seen Tiger Woods? Ooh, man, really hope no one touches my tail. I hate that. Oh, god damn it!
Good job!
Looks like this little friend is trying to heal her human. So cute.
Treat. Ride. Daddy.
That's right.
Even it's a bit confusing, these antics never fail.
Luna, baja de ahí. Inmunda, mira tu cara. ¿Qué es esa cara? No. ¿Cómo puede ser?
Come on.